Earlier in the year, my family and I went to Mount Buller. So Ryland and I went down for the majority of a week for AusCycle's National Downhill Series, and we got some riding in, but also helped out, did some marshalling, and joined the club mud crew from Ballarat to help out doing our bit. Yvette and the other kids came up a little bit later, and we had an incredible ride. In this video, you're going to see a little bit of Delatite, a little bit of fun, and some highlights from the race.
Well,
oh, he's going fast.
yeah. Oh, Coops.
Good job. You good? We're gonna stick on the left side of the road. We're going to go down a couple of corners and stop. Do a couple more corners and stop. Easy. Go that side if you can. You can, just try and stick to that side. This one's deeper. Stick to that side. Check these out, right? Next, we're gonna ride the next one. Ah, walk it. I want you to look at this. Have a look at that. Look at that. How cool is it, right? That's what I mean. Good? Do you want to keep moving? As long as you're okay. It's like 2. To the sides, because you go where you look, and to bounce off. Sometimes the ends is a bit of a drop off, but you'll be fine. Just pedal and you'll be right. Cool? Okay.
Sorry, I was flying down there and then come around the corner and everyone stopped.
Yeah. I didn't realise my stopped way up the hill. So, alrighty, let's go. Bring it out to the right. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Good job. Good job. Well, g'day guys. I'm just passing Box Corner. For those that know what Box Corner is, that is the way you can start Delatite from the road rather than going down from the top, which some of the rocky stuff leads into it. And yeah, and I'm going down the bottom of the hill to pick up Rylan, who's doing Delatite at the moment. He's done, I think he might be doing some of the rocky stuff. He was starting at, I think, Copperhead to A-bomb to one of the top ends of Delatite all the way down. Yeah, and so I'm going to pick him up down the bottom. We're going to go home. That's the end of this trip. We've been up here for 3 full days. So we got up here Wednesday, spent Thursday, Friday, Saturday up here, both riding, marshalling, volunteering with the National Downhill Championship here at Mount Buller, and yeah, having a great ride. Yvette, Maya and Geordie got up here on Friday and had a bit of a chilled night Friday night. Then Saturday, yesterday, we rode down Delatite as a family, probably the highlight of the trip, and it was a good trip, so that's saying something, right? A very close second to that was just being up here with the club and the extra people around with Club Mud, and being able to, yeah, be a part of, stay at the lodge, see the incredible racing, be a part of that community. Phenomenal. But yeah, it was so good riding down Delatite as a family. Everybody loved it. No one fell off, no mechanicals, nothing. Everything was just as you would want it to be. So that was awesome. And yeah, it's now home time, and I'm feeling it. I'm ready for home time. I'm pretty tired. It's been great, but I'm feeling the lag from being away for a few days, different bed and all that sort of stuff. But great. I want to do it again. Absolutely loved it. Phenomenal. So yeah, I guess to round out this, I just want to thank everyone that made this weekend possible. This wasn't just a family time away. Like, we got to spend time as a family, but this was a national downhill event, and we wouldn't have the accommodation if it wasn't for the incredible work of Club Mud and some of the members that are part of the lodge that we stayed at. So thank you to the members that let us do it. Thank you for the club for organising the logistics and all that. Phenomenal, absolutely amazing. Then huge thank you to AusCycle Australia for organising the event. Really well run. Huge thank you to all of the volunteers. The marshalling is what keeps these events running, volunteers, and so thank you for all those that volunteered. Phenomenal. What I was really proud of is that I reckon every second volunteer was from Club Mud, which just shows the capacity and calibre of the character of the members of that club. Everybody does their bits, getting their kids to races and stuff, but not everyone puts their hand up to stand by a track for a 4 to 5 hour stint. That's huge. Just standing there marshalling, making sure people are safe, and that's phenomenal. Just absolutely loved being a part of that community and seeing how people volunteer and do their bit for the sport, and not just for their kids, but just for the sport and for the community. So thank you so much. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to pick up the lad. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.